voice mailbox for Snell Performance. Please leave your name.
I tried. What is up and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. This is a video that you guys have been asking for and I'm finally gonna give it to you.
Stop trying to hide, you nerd. Like I can't see you. Come on now. Can you help me? I can see you.
What do you need help with?
Man,
look at you. You think you fresh, huh? You think you fresh? Because you got the little green on? What's the, okay.
Hold up.
Okay, go ahead. Flex on him. Go ahead, flex on him.
Look at that.
Go ahead, flex on him. Okay. Okay. Hello?
Hi, it's Travis, Snell Performance. Returning a missed call?
Yes. I just had a quick question for you guys. You don't like that?
Baby, no, you got a lot of power. You don't need that.
Okay, but still, I want direct numbers. That's what I want.
I'll give you a direct number.
What is it?
500.
So you're gonna be helping me install that piece today? Huh? The piece that's coming?
Oh, okay.
Yeah? You know what it is, right? Huh?
I will once you give me a hug. Robert!
Look at Lily's eyes. Let me see. Open your eyes. Wait. Let me focus on it. Let me focus. Hold on. Oh wow. So first things first. These wheels are for sale. Now I posted these on IG. It was literally like it was just a thought, and then I pretty much ran with it. So these wheels are for sale. If anybody wants them, they are pretty much only gonna fit on an ST, because as you know, we got a weird bolt pattern, 5x108. And actually had these custom, I guess you can fit it or machined, whatever, for this car. So these are 19 by 8.5, what I believe it's a 35 offset. And these wheels are pretty much brand new. So I bought these almost a year ago, but as you know, this is not my daily, so I don't drive it like that. So as you can see, the tread, I don't know if you can see well because, nonetheless, the tread's good. So these wheels are on a 235 19, but they are federal, so as you know, it's not a true 235, and that's the reason why I went with federal, to kind of make up for it. Even though it's weird, a federal 235 is between a 235, a real 235, and a real 245. It's in between. It's not technically a 245, even though people say it's one size, it runs one size bigger. That's not really true, because even though this is not technically a 235, it's still smaller than a 245. But yeah, nonetheless, these wheels are for sale, so if you want them, hit me up. I'm not in a rush. If you have somebody or know somebody that wants them, let me know, and then we can work something out. I do already know what wheels I want, but I'm not gonna release that information until I get rid of these. So hit me up. These are rotiformed TMBs. These are actually, I don't want to say out of stock. These are discontinued. There we go. They're discontinued. They are real rotiforms. They are not reps. There you go. There's the turn cap. These are discontinued. So either you found these from another car that runs them, or that's it. Like, you can't buy these brand new. I bought these literally brand new, even when they were discontinued. It took forever to find somebody that had these in stock. But yeah, I am the first owner of these. So don't think otherwise. So the piece that we were getting in today is going to be this real Garnish right here, full carbon fiber. I've been wanting that piece forever. It's just something that I've never actually like went in and bought, but I don't know why. It's just something so small, but we're getting that in today. I thought, because I need something to spice up the back, because it's too bland. Like, we have the rear wing riser kit, like that's cool, but I still need something to spice the back up a little bit, so I think that's gonna do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it in the garage. Let's see if we can get you guys a cold start. I'm gonna grab this palm tree branch thing, whatever. See if I can stand the camera up like this. Let's do it. Oh my gosh, she's so dramatic. She's so dramatic. Hands down, one of my favorite parts about this car is the seats. Like, first of all, let me turn down this ISO. These seats are like amazing. They look amazing. They feel amazing. The only thing about these seats is they are not meant for long driving because they're like racing seats. So like they're hard. Their bolster is so like strong and like firm that it kind of kills the back when on long drives. All right, so check it out. Homeboy taking way too long to deliver a car part. We just gonna sit right here until he come. Take that back. We're gonna sit on this rock until he come. All right, we waiting. I've been waiting a whole hour for this fool. Literally, finally. Thank you. Sheesh. I've been waiting a whole hour for you. Thank you, appreciate it, man.
Have a good one, alright?
Yeah, you too. And I just cracked it. Let's go. Alright, so let's open it up and make sure everything's good. There it is. True carbon fiber garnish. I'm trying to get it.
Wow. That's nice.
There it is. So this is gonna line up. It's gonna line up and go right here. Yeah, it's gonna look like that. That's gonna look pretty sick, honestly.
No, I hecka like that.
It's gonna look sick, honestly.
I hecka like it. Oh my goodness. This is hecka nice.
This is literally one of the main reasons why I love this car is because when you take the top off, your head still sits below like the cylinder because the windows go so high. So it's literally like one big sunroof. So I guess every Target top's like this, but this car is so small that I don't know, I guess you wouldn't expect it. And literally the top fits in the trunk. So this right here is literally the reason why I got this car. And then when I got it, I realized like how awesome it is on gas. So it's basically like a win-win situation right now. Is that literally the only reason why we came? To get 80-cent pasta noodles?
Fettuccine noodles. What do you think we're gonna eat?
Oh my gosh. All right, well, we're literally standing in line for 80-cent pasta noodles in that long line. So let's get this installation started. So this back black panel needs to come off. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we should be able to access this. I believe the hardest part about this installation is going to be taking off this Ford sign. So I'm not for sure. Only on this piece it looked like it's screwed in. I'm not too for sure, but then it does look like a little sticky thing. I don't know. We'll see. Let's find it out. So it looks like, I'm pretty sure it's these bolts and these holes right here. Those look like 10 millimeters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this piece should come off. We got it off. Now what we have to do is we need to take off our motor for the hatch. So just push down on the pins and that should pop off right there. And then this piece is off. My hands are filthy, but now you just gotta figure out how to take off this Ford sign without breaking it. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna order a new one because I'm already bending the sides and that makes me not want it anymore. So this is just gonna be one piece, and then let's open a new one and put it on. Alright, so all clean. Hey, sheesh. Alright, so I think it goes So it goes. Something we gotta fit. Oh, there it is. Never mind. Just needed a little tug. That was it. Hey. All right, so it's on. It actually required a good amount of play because the studs are so tight in there that you kind of have to like wiggle it and like you kind of gotta like hit it on a little bit. So right now it's a little off, but I think once we screw it in, it should be perfect. That side's the most. That's kind of weird, but once you screw it in, it should be. It should move it a little bit. So let's go ahead and screw it on. You do have to take off these nuts. They come on the stud. You do have to take them off, but I am going to use the factory ones that came with it, so it give it a little bit more security since it kind of has like a built-in washer type to it. So let's go ahead and screw it on, and then we'll be good. All right, so two things that you're not going to use is first, on this old one, you're not going to use this clip. And what else? I think, oh, I did it the wrong way. I probably should have did it differently. I probably should have heated, because obviously this is held on by adhesive. So I probably should have heated it up first and then try to take it off. But I kind of bent the sides, so I just got to get another one. But when you're putting this on, you kind of got to wiggle it a little bit to get the studs in place of the hole. And then once you put it on, you gotta kind of push up a little bit on both sides so that it lines up perfectly on the edges. But it is on. It does look a little funny because the emblem is missing, but I like. So let me just go ahead and put back on the panels, and then we'll wrap this installation up. So when you take this off, 100% you're gonna have clips that are gonna stay on. So what you wanna do is either they come off easy like that, or you're gonna need well, yeah, they just come off easy like that, looks like. So yeah, just take them off and then just put them back on. All right, so it's all on. I just gotta hop online real quick and order this piece because it kind of looks funny. Hopefully I can get it in black. That'd be kind of cool, huh? Mm-hmm. If I can get it in black, but I'm gonna just wipe it off real quick and then let's see if we can get some clean shots of it. Now let's look at it in the daytime from afar. Okay, I'm feeling it. I like it. It gives the back a little a different perspective. I like it. I was trying to fight the dark by coming out here in the light, but it wasn't really working for me. But I like it a lot. I really do. It is my mom's birthday, so I kind of want to go spend time with her. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps me out more than you know. But other than that, I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.